this is what we've been up to for the last week or so, just preparing the last bunch of panels and stuff like that for paint. So we've got these, this is where the lights mount, and they were very bent and warped, so they've been heated up and beaten out as best we can, and then we'll get these blasted and probably have to put a little skimmer filler on the other side just to make them look a bit nicer. This one, because the tractor didn't, when we got hold of the tractor, it didn't have an original exhaust, so someone has moved the light brackets from where they should be down here and remounted one of them up high. It had like a lorry style chrome stack on it. It looked ridiculous, and obviously wasn't anywhere near original spec. And so yeah, we've welded up these holes, we've grinded them back, and we'll probably have to do a little bit of a skim on those as well. So this is the lower battery box. This also came from Dave Chamberlain. Pretty good fit. We had to do a little bit of modification on it. I think this bracket was slightly in the wrong place. So cut that off and moved that. But apart from that, it's yeah, it looks pretty good. This is the outer battery box, and the side here was pretty far gone, so we've replaced the side. The rest of it's fairly strong, so we've replaced the side, and there was a bit of corrosion in the middle where the actual shelf for the battery was. You can see we put a new shelf in it as well. These have all been mounted on the tractor again, so we know that they fit okay now. This engine side panel, where you can see there, but this one had been probably ran over at some point and was like a banana, shall we say. So this has also been straightened up. You can see that had to be beaten out down the bottom there, but we'll hopefully be able to give that a light skim as well and a bit of grinding, and be able to see a bit more once it's been blasted, and try and get that fairly straight. So we're getting pretty close to paint on these bits. Spent a day with the blast cabinet getting all these last little bits made up, remade some of these. These are the light brackets, and the metal was really warped on the end. So it used to be this size, but on the inside edge we've replaced it and put a thicker bit of plate up there. Hopefully we won't have the same problem again. So we've got PTO guards here, little bonnet bracket, these are the other bits, bonnet, diff lock pedal, air filter covers, a little cap for the brake fluid on the bonnet. So yeah, we're getting there. Hey there guys, so the 1200 is coming along quite nicely. We've started getting some of the pipes back on. Obviously the gearbox is back in. We've got the steering ram is back on. The link cable for the link bar for the handbrake. I don't know whether you can see in there, we've got the main drive shaft for the front axles on. Drive shafts down here. They're both on and all tightened up. So we've got the clutch out.